Hi, good morning everyone. Teacher Everson here once again with you. Today, Saturday, November 19th. What a beautiful day. Where I live, the sun is shining. It's a very wonderful day. Yesterday, we talked about parts of the body when you go to the gym and you do exercises. And today, we're going to talk about outdoor activities. Outdoor activities are activities that you can do out of your home. You don't need to go to a specific place. Okay, let's check it out some examples. This is my blog. You already know where to get some grammar and few vocabulary, some links. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new page only with the links with some products that I recommend, dictionaries, books. Okay, will be wait for next week. Okay, right. Examples of outdoor activities. You can ride a bike. Riding a bike is a very good exercise. If you have a pet, walk your dog. It's very nice. It's very light for you. It's more exercise for your dog, for your pet, than for you. But it's an outdoor activity. This girl here is on the beach. Unfortunately, I'm in the countryside, so I'm far away from the beach. I'm about 250 kilometers away from the nearest beach. Not so that far, but still a little far. Okay. Sports, outdoor sports like skateboarding. Skateboard is a good one. I wish I could do, but it's not for me. Read. Perhaps you don't even need to do a physical exercise. Just one outdoor activity would be enough. Like you reading a book. Fix things. This is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna fix things. I'm gonna get my hammer, my tools, my toolbox, and I'm gonna fix something. And run. Running also is a good activity, outdoor activity. I don't run, but I like to take a walk. Take a walk is also a good activity. Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you do these activities this weekend, Saturday today and tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow for other hints, another English tips. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye.